let's open the box and see if it's that, or if it's that fleshlight I ordered the other week that's still not arrived. I literally went out and spent £532 of my own money for a box sent direct from China. Yeah, they don't tell you that. When you get your box, it comes direct from China via DHL and takes like 6 days to arrive. So that's what we've got here. We've got an actual, well, I don't even know what's in it. This could even be something that isn't an Insta360. So let's try and get into it. I ordered the motorcycle accessory kit. Oh my god, this is the world's hardest thing to open. I'm never joking. It's got like double-sided sticky tape on it. Right, so I ordered the motorcycle accessory kit, which has got like the mounting for it, so it holds on better. Apparently it's one of the best ones, so everyone says who's been sent it all. And I also got to see the free selfie stick by going through an affiliate link from watching all the videos, because clearly they was all sponsored by it. So I got the free selfie stick, and I got a lens cap because it's got 2 bulbous bits on it also. I thought I'd buy that. And I don't know, something else. Oh, a mic adapter, that's it. Because apparently you can click a mic straight into it, so I'm going to try and wire it all up with my additional long cable here. So anyway, this is the box. This is what we've got in the box that they sent me from China. So clearly Insta360 is either a Chinese branded company or they just make it all in China and send it out. So I suppose what we all want to see, this is the mount bundle. This is the Insta-X3. Packaging looks alright, packaging looks quite good. Looks like a bit like a Samsung. You know when you get a Samsung phone, high tech. Right. You get 12 months warranty with this as well. And for like 480 quid, 12 months warranty, I was a bit like, oh. And it's an action cam, so I'm like, let's hope that it doesn't break. So in the box, where's my glasses? Are my glasses here? No. It's got the thingy, charge cable, protective pouch, quick start guide, and lens cloths. That's what it states on the back that comes with it. Right, let's open it up. This is what we want to see. On the side, we know all about this. If you're watching videos like this, you know this jargon anyway. 10 meters waterproof, 360 horizon lock, I didn't know that. Invisible selfie stick, knew that. Flow state stabilization, don't know what that is. 72 megapixel 360 photos, that's quite good. Active HDR video, that sounds interesting but I have no idea how it works. All AI powered editing, voice control. Yeah, someone said about the voice control. Right, anyway, let's open it out. Let's see how big it is. Someone was complaining that the lenses were too bulbous. I'm like, it's 360 cameras, what are you expecting, you absolute muppet? Right, anyway, so initial impressions from seeing it inside the box. I'll show you. There it is. Whoa! It's actually smaller. Right, so it's actually smaller than I thought. But it's also heavier than I thought. It's actually really heavy. Gosh, that's a weight that is, isn't it? I didn't know myself. Right, anyway. So yeah, quite weighty. Quite small though. I like it. Feels good, feels quality. Feels like it's got its lens protector on the front and back. What does that say? Please do not remove the speaker cover. Why not? I have no idea. Okay, so here we go, this is it. It's got protective bits all over it. We'll put that here, and we'll come back to that. Ah, selfie stick. What's in here? Another box. This is the only other box you get. I don't have a memory card, so if it has no internal memory, then I've got no idea what I'm going to do. USB-C, which is always nice, seeing as I've got lots of USB-Cs now, so it's clearly come to the future. We have a USB-C connector, which is great, so we've got millions of them around. So it's obviously the pouch, comes with a pouch to keep it in. Woo! Let's put it in its condom. There we go. There we go. Insta360 says on the top there as well, that's nice. What's this? Stickers. Everybody loves a sticker. I'll put that somewhere. Quick start guide, cleaning cloths. Gosh, it's the gift that keeps on giving, isn't it? Let's do this. So it says, what's this say? Pull. Oh my gosh, I've got my glasses. Gosh, there's some seriously small writing. Right, so we'll just remove this. Go away. So it's like, so there's two tabs on the side there. Apparently it's off. Oh, annoying. Right, you pull these tabs down. Oh, and then pops out the battery. And then the SD card goes just inside there. Okay, it's got a waterproof. That's for the waterproof bit for it all. I think you can buy extra batteries. Okay, right. Oh, tell you another. This is good. So when you have it and it's not fully locked, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. See, it's got a green, an orange bit down the bottom there. You got make sure it's pressed in, and then they go away. So that's quite good. You know it's definitely in. What's in the one above it? That's the charging cable and also the mic adapter. What does this one say? Please do not remove the speaker cover. Okay, well, why would I? It's a bit weird why they put that on there, then ask you not to take it off. Okay. Don't have a memory card, so I don't know if that means I can't use it. Oh yeah, silicone gel. I thought it was going to be a fabric one, but it's not. It's like a slippy silicone. What I'll do is I will pop this over the top, just like a little Johnny there. It gives you the cover still in the side. So slips on nicely, feels protected. Doesn't feel like it's going to come off, that's for sure. Right, that's that. What else is in the box? Mic adapter and the invisible selfie stick. Oh yeah, and the mount. We've got the motorcycle mount kit as well. So we'll just quickly whip this open and have a look. Moving on. This is the selfie stick. We've got a million selfie sticks. This is an official selfie. Actually, this came free. Oh, it feels good. Feels nice. I like it. It's got like a textured handle there, so that's nice. Definitely feels like you're not going to throw it away. A lot of resistance when it comes out as well. Yeah, is that a meter? It says it's supposed to be a meter. No. That does not feel like 114 centimeters. That's like 30 centimeters. No. Oh, we got another couple. There we go. That's more like 114 centimeters. Okay. Well, I thought it was like. That's good because you can sort of have it however you like. And it is real stiff actually. It's good, and it doesn't rotate either, so you can just spin it into the top. So that folds down nicely. A lot of resistance from it out. Does feel quite good quality. It doesn't feel like cheap Chinese stuff. So this is the expensive Chinese stuff. I'll set it all up tomorrow. And then we can see how it looks together all on that one. So this is the unboxing. Stay tuned. Watch this video up here or up here for the first footage of me putting it together. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.